Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Faye, and today I want to dive into a topic that's close to my heart and something that I've been spending some time reflecting on in the past weeks when I had time to relax during my vacation in Italy. Basically how to slow down and embrace my feminine energy to enhance the well-being. I believe that we need that more than ever as we are juggling career aspirations, personal growth, dealing with all sorts of pressures and anxieties in our daily life, and all that while staying put together. This is why I found that slowing down has really helped me with reconnecting, finding balance, and really prioritizing those things that excites me. And I really wanted to dedicate a video on this topic to share my thoughts, even though it is nothing like my normal videos. If you are interested in my reflections, then please keep on watching. So in the past month, I decided to slow down a bit and focus more on the things that excites me and explored ways to embracing my feminine energy. I realized that I needed to start that journey in order to get the improvements that I want in life. And just by slowing down and leaning back a bit, I've been learning a lot about why it has been so crucial for me to keep my feminine energy. And firstly, it has been about connecting with my intuition, taking time to listen to my inner voice for decisions that align with my true desires and values. And this has also meant that I've been needing to say no to do some things and embracing the joy of missing out. And it has helped me to focus more on myself and the things that I really love. Basically, I took some time to write down my dreams and all the things that excites me, as well as the improvements I want. Then I wrote down how I want my life to look like and visualized this as a mood board. And in hard times, these notes and the mood board helped me to keep the focus on the goals. Since we only have limited time and energy each day, we also need to spend that wisely and to keep the focus. So secondly, it has helped me to foster creativity because when we are not rushing, we have the space to dream, to imagine and create. And I've been for instance, so grateful for picking up painting again. I made a few paintings just like the oil painting behind me, and it takes time, but it has worked like free meditation for me to focus on something I can do with my hands. I am also so grateful for being able to share my experiences and my thoughts through this YouTube channel with you guys, and it means more than you think. Your encouragement, likes and support has given me lots of energy back, and I love all the conversations I've had through this channel and look forward to continue with it. Thirdly, it has helped me enhance self-care because by embracing our feminine energy, it also means prioritizing our well-being. And for me, it's all about nurturing my body and soul and recognizing my needs and self-worth. I can't stress this point enough, as this has definitely improved my love to myself and my relationships and made them stronger. And things that makes you happy, like picking out a scent you love or treating yourself with a massage or a blowout for your hair on a bad day, or it could just be a simple act of romanticizing your routines with lighting your favorite candles while doing some daily chores, just to make your everyday more enjoyable. And slowing down is more than just taking a break. It has actually given me a few benefits I noticed already, and some of my main conclusions are empowerment through being present. So being fully present in the moment empowers us to experience life deeply and meaningfully. Sometimes I am still struggling with this, but during my trip to Italy, I accidentally soaked my phone in the sea and it didn't work for almost 3 days. So I noticed how dependent I was on my phone, but also how much of a release I felt after not checking on social media and focusing on messages and taking footages for a few days. So I was just so much present in everything I did, and I could feel how it truly relaxed my mind. And another conclusion I realized is that it has improved my overall well-being, as slowing down has reduced a lot of stress. It enhanced my health by maintaining the balance and harmonies in my lives. And often when I'm in a stressful situation, I take a step back and take a deep breath before refocusing on only the things that I can control, because often in life I feel that we are focusing on too many things at the same time and spend unnecessary energy on things that we cannot control and are not under our power. So this leads to a lot of stress and ultimately increases anxiety and hurts our mental health. Finally, the third conclusion is stronger relationships So basically, by taking the time to nurture our relationships, we create deeper connections with loved ones and build supportive networks that uplift us. It is not always easy to meet or talk to all your friends, but by being present and more selective with those friends that brings you joy and positive energy, those that really matters become more close to you, and ultimately the time and energy that you spend on your relationships are becoming more meaningful and fruitful for you. This also means that you need to cut your energy thieves. Those people who are taking more energy from you than what they give should also receive less time and energy from you. And I know it is not all black and white. However, you are always able to control how much energy and time you want to spend on those relationships. And ultimately, it is a choice that only you make. Some of the things that I have been doing to hurry slowly and embrace my feminine energy is to create daily rituals. So by creating calming daily rituals that nourish the soul, like morning meditations, a walk outside disconnected from the phone, or journaling, these moments of peace has just set the tone of my days. I'm not always good at doing these things consistently, but I will definitely start again now when I'm getting back to work and all the routines. Secondly, I would say mindful movements. It's very important to exercise and move my body, and I think it's important to choose a movement practice that you enjoy, such as yoga, dance, or just walks. This just kicks back lots of energy, and especially when doing it with friends. Thirdly, of course, intentional style choices. I've really taken the time to curate a capsule wardrobe that resonates with who I am and what makes me feel good. It has really been about focusing on quality over quantity and choosing pieces that makes me feel powerful and feminine. You should just feel a spark, because what makes you spark also makes you feel more confident and happy. And another habit I've been embracing is to unplug and recharge, just to set aside time to disconnect from technology and reconnect with myself. Something that I actually did on the plane back from Italy, raw dodging. For those of you who doesn't know what raw dodging means, it is the expression for just sitting in the airplane doing nothing, not even eat, sleep or drink. It is basically a way for mental recharge, and in my opinion this trend is just silly. I've done it from time to time before, but for me it is just a nice way to allow myself to be bored for a while and to take some time to reflect and enjoy my own company without distractions. So during the past days in Italy, I spent some time journaling and reflecting over the past year so far regarding my needs and wants, and something I definitely want to spend more time and money on is traveling, exploring and experimenting rather than material things. Even though I still have a luxury wish list, of course, it is not as many things in there that I actually would want to pull the trigger on and that I feel is worth the money, especially after recent scandals in the luxury world that I'm sure that you already heard of, like brands producing bags in sweatshops for less than 60 euros and selling for 100 times more. I know that many influencers have reacted on this topic already, saying how luxury does not feel like luxury anymore. And in my opinion, there's two things that has affected my view the most. And by the way, if you are interested in knowing which luxury items I still think are worth it and have earned a place on my list, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. In my opinion, quality and craftsmanship will soon not be enough for a luxury brand, as more high quality mid-luxury brands are emerging. For instance, Totem bags that are produced in the same factory as Celine and Bottega, and dupes being created in better quality than ever. What do you think? Are you also slowing down with your spending on luxury, and what are you doing instead? Do you also travel more? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now I've been talking quite a lot about my take on embracing and keeping my feminine energy, but also slowing down in life as well as luxury spending. It all comes down to live with intentions, nurturing ourselves with healthy habits, but also sprinkling some pleasures and indulgence to create a life that truly reflects who we are. And empowerment comes from within, and I believe that by incorporating a few habits in our daily life, we can all be more present, intentional, and improve our well-being by slowing down or hurry slowly. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more. I love to hear your tips on how you slow down in life and your current relation to luxury spending. Talk to you soon, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye!